Oh, honey, when your dream is to fill in the blank. Now we'll explore what will bring that dream to you. Oh, nice. I know. This is so nice. Are you ready? I am. I'm gonna use an example case, and you can apply this to your situation. So I'm gonna fill in the blank. My dream was to have honey, as I had run out of honey. And it would have been really nice to have honey. I needed it, kind of. I didn't really need it, but it would have been a nice bonus to have honey. So, as I went to the grocery store, I went to look for the honeys. Where are the honeys? So that I can buy one. And there it is. Oh, the honey shelf. All right. Wow. So many honeys to choose from. Plenty of honeys to choose from. Which one of these will I buy? As I tuned into these honeys, one by one, it was so weird. Because none of the honeys felt right. What is up with this? I have so many options. But somehow I have this feeling that, no, don't buy the honey now. Okay, I will not buy honey. And I left that honey shop empty-handed. Oh, okay. So the next time when I went to the grocery store, I remembered, oh, I still don't have honey. And I kind of need it. Or it would be really nice to have honey. So I went, and as I was in front of the honeys, I tuned into the options. And again, for some very weird reason, my inner knowing said, don't buy the honey now. None of the honeys felt right. How weird. Why cannot I just buy the honey when I again have the opportunity to do so? All right. So I left that honey shop again. Without the honey. Then, wow. Guess what happened? One Christmas day, it all made sense. Someone gave me honey as a present. How mystical and magical and interesting. It was like my soul knew that, hey, darling, there is no need for you to buy that honey, because someone will soon gift you honey for free. You will get honey for free, darling. So in front of that honey shelf, I somehow had this inner knowing, this intuitive knowing that don't buy honey now. You will soon have honey. And if you buy that honey now, then you'll have 2 honeys. And that would be too much to handle. So don't buy that honey. This is a funny example, but this is how the soul's guidance works. Your soul has access to seemingly future timelines. It can feel those. It can sense into the future in the now. So, let's apply this to your dream. So, what is your dream? Honey? Honey, what is your dream? Now, as you are making that dream your reality, as you are making choices in your daily life, what brings that dream into the now is your inner guidance, which sometimes doesn't make any sense. Like when you need honey and you're in front of that honey shelf, you have the opportunity to buy honey, and then your inner guidance says, no, don't buy honey now. And you're like, why? Why? It would make a lot of sense to buy honey now that I have the opportunity to do so. Okay. So your inner guidance might say in front of some choice, no. You just have this inner knowing that no, don't do this. Or perhaps your inner guidance says, yes, do this. You just have this inner knowing. You have this particular feeling that shows you what your inner knowing knows, what your soul knows. And darling, when you trust that guidance, that inner guidance, life will bring your dream to you in mysterious and magical and miraculous ways. In a way that doesn't make logical sense. Like I finally got that honey in a way I could have never imagined that honey being delivered to me. Okay. So yeah, what is your dream? What is your dream, honey? and related to that, what is your inner guidance asking you to do or not to do now? Trust that. Trust it, honey. Life will bring your dream to you. Yes, it will. Yes, it will.